Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting product review for you. We recently came across the GoPro Hero Black, a compact, waterproof action camera that's packed with features to elevate your adventure photography and videography game. We've added a link in the description so you can check out the latest price and availability. The GoPro Hero Black is more than just an action camera, it's a versatile device designed for anyone who loves capturing life's thrilling moments in stunning detail. With its ability to shoot 4K Ultra HD video and 12MP photos, this camera ensures that every frame is crisp and vibrant, whether you're exploring the great outdoors or filming a family event. One of the standout features of the GoPro Hero is its HyperSmooth video stabilization technology. This means that no matter how intense or rugged your activity is, the camera automatically smooths out any bumps and shakes. Whether you're biking down a mountain trail or surfing on the waves, your footage remains stable and clear, giving it a professional touch. This stabilization is particularly impressive, as it allows you to capture fast-moving subjects without compromising on quality. Another fantastic feature is the hands-free control. With voice commands available in 11 languages and 6 accents, you can easily start recording or take photos without needing to fiddle with the buttons. This is especially useful when you're in the middle of an adventure and want to keep your hands free. Additionally, the integrated Wi-Fi allows for seamless uploads of your footage to the GoPro Quick app or the cloud. The app is user-friendly, enabling you to create highlight reels, edit videos, and even change digital lenses, all from the convenience of your smartphone. The rugged design of the GoPro Hero Black is also worth mentioning. It's waterproof up to 33 feet without any additional housing, making it perfect for underwater adventures or rainy weather. Its compact size, weighing only 3 ounces, means it can fit easily into your pocket or be attached to various mounts for different shooting perspectives. Plus, the rechargeable battery allows for up to an hour of recording at the highest settings, and you can conveniently recharge it via the USB-C port. So, who is the GoPro Hero Black suitable for? This camera is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, adventure seekers, and content creators alike. If you love hiking, biking, or any action-packed activities, this camera will help you document those experiences in stunning detail. It's also great for families who want to capture special moments during vacations or gatherings without the hassle of bulky equipment. Practical use cases are endless. You can take it on a snorkeling trip to capture the vibrant underwater life, use it while skiing down the slopes for breathtaking action shots, or even document a road trip with friends. The possibilities are vast, and with its array of accessories included in the bundle, you can customize your setup for any situation. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero Black stands out as a powerful, reliable action camera that can keep up with your adventures while providing high-quality footage. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this camera is designed to help you capture and share your experiences in the best possible way. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.